Hello everyone, welcome to Elif's Kitchen. I'd like to share the recipe for a lightly cracked cookie with tahini. Please subscribe to my channel to be informed about my new recipes. And please don't forget to turn on the notifications by clicking the bell icon. Let's get started. I put a glass of powdered sugar in the mixing bowl. I pour a glass of liquid oil and a glass of tahini. I add a pack of vanilla and I mix it with a beater. Then I'll start kneading by adding the flour gradually. First, I add 1 cup of flour, and then I'm adding a pack of baking soda. I stir it with a beater. I continue to add the flour gradually, as you see. In total, I added 4 cups plus 2 full tablespoons of flour. But as you can see, I'm adding it gradually, step by step. Don't add it all at once. Depending on the brand of tahini you use, the consistency can vary. It can be juicy or thicker, so you may need to add a little less or more flour. Add it gradually. You can see the consistency of the dough. It's supposed to have a soft consistency, but it doesn't stick to the hand. Now I want to show you 3 different shapes. First, I flour the counter. Then I pluck a piece of dough and roll it over the counter in a cylindrical shape. I press on it lightly with my hand. I'm cutting it to pieces the way you see in the video. Every piece I've cut, I first dip in the egg white and then cover it with ground walnuts. I'm putting my cookies on my baking tray with baking paper. For the second shape, I'm ripping off a piece at the side of a walnut. I form a sphere with my hand. I again dip into egg whites and ground walnuts. I'm putting it on my baking tray. Now the third shape. I plucked a walnut-sized piece, and again I'm forming a sphere, but this time I'm not dipping it to anything. I'm putting it on the baking paper. Either way, it's really beautiful, you will see. I'll bake them in 170-degree heated oven for about 20-25 minutes. I took the cookies out of the oven. I'll keep my cookies like this in the baking tray for about an hour or so without touching it. Because when they are hot, they dissipate really easily when they are touched. Look, I'd like to show you again. As you can see, they look really beautiful. Their taste and smell is amazing. I strongly recommend you to try it, and I hope you enjoy it. I'm looking forward to your likes and comments. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please don't forget to like it.